Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by reducing inflammation and protecting skin. Cleanse the area gently to remove oils and makeup, then immediately apply a stable 10% vitamin C serum to brighten and inhibit further pigment formation. Once done, seal the routine with broad-spectrum SPF 30+ every morning and reapply during sun exposure. Make sure to patch test new products on a small area first to gauge sensitivity. This first step arrests worsening and primes the skin for deeper correction. Once tolerance is established, add a low-strength retinoid at night to accelerate cell turnover and fade existing brown spots. Start with every third night and ramp to nightly as tolerated. This reduces irritation and builds efficacy. Concurrently, use gentle chemical exfoliation, 10% AHA or 2% BA, once weekly to lift pigmented cells, making topical agents more effective. Make sure to alternate exfoliation and retinoid nights, and always follow with a hydrating moisturizer to maintain the skin barrier. To complete correction, continue the sun protection, vitamin C in the morning, and retinoid at night. Consistency yields results over 8-12 weeks. If spots persist, consult a dermatologist for prescription options or in-office treatments like chemical peels, lasers, or topical hydroquinone under supervision. If you experience redness, burning, or increased pigmentation, stop active treatments immediately, apply barrier repair creams, and give skin 1-2 weeks to calm before reintroducing one product at a time. This single troubleshooting tip prevents worsening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.